This is Espresso Chat, conversations over coffee. We discuss business, family, and other interesting conversations over a cup of coffee. Enjoy.
Welcome to Espresso Chat. You're here with Ian Wafula. I am the Sales Liaison Officer at Dawit Insurance. And today I have come with Norah. Let me not spoil it. Norah, please tell us what you do at Dawit Insurance.
Hi guys, my name is Norah Komora. I'm the head of underwriting and claims at Dawit Insurance Agency.
Well said, well said. See, I could have spoiled it. Okay, Norah, the reason why I brought you here today is I want you to tell me about me and these folks about medical insurance. So start off at the top. What is medical insurance?
Medical insurance basically caters for unforeseen accident and illness expenses.
Okay.
Yes, we can say unforeseen in the sense that you go to hospital, you're going, for example, maybe your target was just to go get checked up.
Yes.
The budget was 1,000 shillings. You go to hospital, whatever is diagnosed costs you 300,000 shillings. You had foreseen the 1,000, you had budgeted for that. You had not foreseen the 300,000 shillings. So medical insurance caters for unforeseen expenses like those ones. In short, it relieves you of the burden of having to think finance when you need medical assistance.
Wow. Wow. So what kind of people take medical insurance?
There's two categories that need medical insurance. That is the individuals and families, just to cater for their unforeseen medical expenses. And then you have the second category that is broadly termed as corporates.
Yes.
And corporates involve the large corporates that are known, like Safaricom, the medium corporates, and even all the way down to the SMEs and the startups. We have products for startups as small as 3 people based.
Okay. Yeah. Good. So why should I, as a business person, not just corporate, SME, retail, all of us, business owners, from maybe 1 employee to or 0 employees, just I'm the only person, I am everything, and to up to the large corporates, 80, 100 people going forward. Why should we take medical insurance?
It is very important as an employer to consider taking medical coverage for your employees in the sense that right now, it is one of the best employee incentives that you can sell to your employees.
Okay.
It will help you in several ways. Employee retention rate will be very high. And that is because the employees feel safe. They don't have to worry about medical expenses. You have taken that burden of financial expenses due to unforeseen medical circumstances off their back.
Yes.
You have reduced the number of days that employees have to actually be absent from your place of work, because if you have given them access to medical insurance, that means that they have access to the best medical providers out there, meaning they get comprehensive treatment for their conditions. And generally, you create a positive work-life balance for them. That is why it's one of the best employee incentives that you can use as an employer.
Okay. So how do I choose which is the best medical package for me as a business owner? Probably I'm just myself, I'm the sole proprietor, or it's a big corporation up to 1,000, 2,000 employees going on like that.
Most important is your budget.
Definitely. I think pesa inasumbua sana ikifika medical insurance.
Yes,
all right.
Definitely. It's not, you need to consider your budget to determine the kinds of coverage that you get and also the type of product. It's good to get the right type of product that suits your needs. In the market, we have products for individuals, and the individuals, we have product for like budget covers for individuals, like a single person. We have budget covers for family. We have comprehensive coverage for families as well.
Yes.
And at corporate, we have, again, budget covers. We have comprehensive covers. We have covers that are tailor-made to cater for startups and SMEs, that is employees maybe all the way up to around 50.
Yes.
We have covers that are specifically tailored for corporates, like large corporates with many employees. So it's good to consider the right product that suits your needs. So as you're choosing between providers, it is good to consider the limits that are being given, the sub-limits that are being given per limit. That
so
is a
limit, by limit
guidance.
You mean the size of the cover?
Yes.
Yes. And then the sub-limit is a particular disease is covered to a certain extent.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good to consider those because they vary from provider to provider.
Yes.
You also have to consider if there are any exclusions. For example, for a very long time, HIV was an exclusion for most of the providers.
Insurance never used to take care of HIV-related expenses.
Yes. You can go ahead to check the quality of the service as you're choosing because you have to be under a provider, right?
Yes.
So check for any extras. You can check for things like the technology they're using to make your experience easier. You can check for things like MTBA. You can check if you have a way of clarifying like how fast the turnaround times are and stuff like that. So generally the service that the different providers give.
Yes. Thank you so much. Then I think my final question is, I want to take medical insurance. I'm ready to take medical insurance. So should I go directly to the insurance company or should I go through an agent or a broker? Which is the best way for me? Why should I know it might be easy for me to go to the insurance company, but why should I go to an agent?
Here is where the question of the value of an agent comes in.
Okay.
Of course, you can always go directly to any insurance company, which is fine.
Yes.
The problem is you might be limited to the knowledge. You might be limited onto what you're looking out for. You might find that you're exposing yourself in the process of getting yourself insured. This is where an agent comes in. First of all, an agent will help you pick the right product that suits your need.
Okay.
Secondly, an agent will help you pick the right service provider. An agent will be there for you at the point of claiming, which is the make or break of any policy.
Yes.
Your agent will be the one that will speak on your behalf. Your agent will follow up the process for your behalf. Your agent, if need be, will present best your case on your behalf so that your claim gets settled fairly and promptly.
Wow.
So let's just say an agent is the big brother that will help you through the process. And lastly, and the most importantly, your agent is the one that will ensure that you get the best at no extra cost. If the insurance company asks you to pay $65,000 for your medical policy or for any policy out there for that matter, you will not pay a shilling more. So you don't have to worry about extra costs. It's to your advantage that you go through an agent and not go directly to an insurance company.
Awesome. Every part you've had Norah say agent, X that out and put Dawit. Thank you so much, Norah, for coming to Espresso Chat. Look forward to seeing you again. Cheers.
Cheers, and thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website www.dawitinsurance.co.ke and learn more about who we are and what we do.